If you could press both, the both will change. So blink करते हैं, flash. So these are USB. This runs on an app. In the app, there are the inbuilt animations. You can add text to also. You can write anything, display anything. The hand gesture mode. Let's say you will change.
Okay.
This is again LED bag. It works with two ways. One is with a mobile application material, and it's pretty unique. You can see that design.
Yeah.
It's pretty. It's needless to say. I think it's a magnetic lock.
Magnetic lock. Oh, that's amazing. So I think this is one of the unique product you can purchase. Come back to my channel. Hope सभी लोग बहुत बढ़िया होंगे. तो फ्रेंड्स आज हम आ चुके हैं प्रगति मैदान में जहाँ पे लगा है 15 टॉय बिज एग्जीबिशन 2024. तो बात करें फ्रेंड्स अगर बैग्स की बात करें तो आने वाली जो फ्यूचरिस्टिक बैग्स हैं उसके बारे में आज हम देखने वाले हैं. बैक साइड पे देख सकते हो. पहले एक बैग्स की लुक देख सकते हैं. यहाँ पे आप बैग्स की लुक देख सकते हो और आपको लग रहा होगा ये बैग आपके पास जरूर होना चाहिए. तो इस बैग्स के बारे में आज हम इन्फॉर्मेशन लेने वाली हैं. अगर हम ब्रांड की बात करें तो हुकाबा ब्रांड रहने वाला है. तो अभी सर है हमारे साथ, उनसे बात करते हैं और इस ब्रांड के बारे में जानते हैं. हाय सर. गुड नेम सर.
गौरव.
सो गौरव सर है. सर गौरव सर अब अपने ब्रांड के बारे में बताइए. उसमें क्या क्या जैसे हम देख रहे हैं बहुत ट्रेंडी बैग्स आपके पास हैं, तो इसके बारे में बताइए सर.
So actually जैसे आपने बताई थी हमारा ब्रांड का नाम है हुकाबा एंड इट्स बेसिकली एलईडी लाइफस्टाइल ब्रांड. तो अगर हम देखें लाइफस्टाइल की बात करें आज तक इंडिया में नॉर्मली कहीं पे भी देखते हैं तो लाइफस्टाइल में क्या होता है वट एवर वी वियर जो भी हम कैरी करते हैं चाहे वो बैग्स हो गए चाहे सनग्लासेस हो गए चाहे शूज हो गए. तो एज अ ब्रांड एज अ हुकाबा वी बोर्न आउट ऑफ ए पैशन की वी विल मेक इट एड ए एलईडी एलिमेंट टू इट. जो भी लाइफस्टाइल प्रोडक्ट होगा उसके अंदर एलईडी डालेंगे चाहे वो बैग्स है. वी स्टार्टेड विद बैग 6 months बैक and after the success of the bag we have introduced our new portfolio also LED mask, LED sunglasses, not the sunglasses, party glasses, LED wristband. You will see the wristband over there.
So sir basically जैसे हम ये प्रोडक्ट्स देख रहे हैं इसके बारे में जैसे ग्लास है तो व्हाट इज द फंक्शनैलिटी ऑफ दिस.
So basically I show you. So ये LED जैसे मैं बोला ये सारे अभी डे टाइम है इसकी लाइट्स आई एम नॉट श्योर कितनी इफेक्टिव दिख रही होगी. सो ये पार्टी ग्लासेस है ठीक है. इसके बोथ टेम्पल्स के ऊपर यू विल सी देयर आर 2 buttons पावर बटन्स टू इट ऑन द बोथ द टेम्पल्स एंड दिस बोथ द बटन्स वर्क इंडिपेंडेंटली. अगर इसको प्रेस करेंगे यू विल सी द हाफ विल बी द लाइट ऑफ द हाफ विल चेंज इफ यू प्रेस दिस. इफ यू प्रेस बोथ द बोथ विल चेंज. सो ब्लिंक करते हैं, फ्लैश करते हैं, स्टेबल लाइट रहती है एंड ऑल दैट. सो ये है. सो दिस द प्रोडक्ट एंड दिस इज आल्सो द एलईडी ग्लास. दिस इज द it works on an app also. You have to download the app on your phone. Without app also इसका भी बैटरी ऑफ हो गया. And अगर ऐप पे जो भी आप इनबिल्ट एनिमेशंस है टेक्स्ट है वो डालेंगे वो चेंज हो जाता है. So this mask is again this mask runs on the app as well as it has a hand gesture mode. Let's say you will change.
Okay. That's very amazing.
That's for adults. This for kids the similar. It doesn't run on app because we don't give mobile to kids. And it is a hand gesture mode.
Great.
So same goes with that also. It has a hand gesture mode.
Amazing. So अभी सर जैसे कि हमने देखा कि यहाँ पे तो ये बहुत ही इनोवेटिव प्रोडक्ट्स हैं. अब कम टू द बैग्स.
बैग्स का बताया से फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल let us not discuss the LED part of it. So it's a proper premium high quality bag for made. This bag is particularly meant for women if they want to carry some small stuff along with them. So so it's at a proper capacity and all. And so if you look at the zipper, so they can get. So if this bag comes, there's an instruction manual how to use the bag, and this is a warranty card from the brand. And now coming to the screen part. So these are USB. This runs on an app. In the app there are inbuilt animations. You can add text to also. You can write anything, display anything. अगर आपको if you don't want to carry if you think today I don't want to carry the screen, I just want to use it as normal bag. You can easily remove the screen. You can easily remove the screen and carry it as a normal bag as well.
That's great.
So that's a unique feature of this bag.
Okay, that's very great. And I think sir
and these are IPX5 waters and after there's a 1-year warranty also.
1-year warranty. That's very amazing. तो अगर फ्रेंड्स अगर हम बात करें बैग की तो आई थिंक जो वुमेन्स को कैरी करके लेके जाना होता है बैग तो आई थिंक दिस इज अ वेरी यूनिक प्रोडक्ट. एक इनोवेशन जो कहते हैं एलईडी जो बैग्स में सर ने बताया जिस हिसाब से तो आई थिंक one of the amazing products. Sir आगे जो products हैं.
So this is a cross body. It's like for youth basically they want to carry it to the let's say they want to carry it to parties, they want to carry it to gyms and all. So let's say that's how.
Great.
So basically when you to let's say talk about going to parties and all that. We don't want to carry wallet and phone in our pocket. It becomes too. Let's look at this. It's too clumsy and all that. And now again, this is again LED bag. It works with 2 ways. One is with a mobile application As I said, we don't want, if we don't want to give mobile to kids, obviously we don't want to give. So this bag runs on the, there's a remote also, Joy remote. Kids can use this remote to operate the screen. So it is basically the purpose of this, a pre-nursery kid, they go to kindergarten, you want to go to for the skating in the society, kids want to go to picnic, birthday parties, they want to carry it on the airports and all that. So that's pretty unique. And till now, what we have seen, the best response for this bag is, you will surprise you, people are gifting these bags.
Yeah.
आज के में they want to see, even you would have searched something unique.
Something unique.
You Google it out, something unique, gift something unique and all that. So that's
and this bag I seen in the internet, and this is I think one of the best bags जो भी
Right,
viral
right,
bag
right.
हमारा चल रहा है.
Yeah,
This
yeah.
is इसके बारे में जरा मैं बताइए.
Yeah, so this is primarily it's a biker's bag,
Yeah.
right? So it has all the features a biker would love to have. One is that if you see it has a reflective strip,
Right.
so that it gives a reflection on the in the night lights. It is an expandable bag, a full size helmet, the biggest size helmet. It can easily carry inside. So normally what happens is that when the bikers after the ride, they have a concern where to tie up their helmets and
Tie up
all that.
helmets, yes.
They put it on the bikes and all that. Those expensive helmets.
Yes.
So after the ride, they can put the helmet inside along with the laptop as well, and they can carry it along with them.
That's-
So because bikers obviously don't want to lose their helmets or something. So that's the feature of this bag, and it runs on the app. As I said, it has a multiple display. And it's a water resistant IPX5. It's a hard shell material, and it's pretty unique. You can see that design.
Yeah.
It's pretty. It's needless to say it. I think any words are disrespect to this bag.
For the bikers or the person who are very fond of biking, I think this is the best bag for the bikers,
Right,
because
right.
they have expensive helmets and expensive stuff. So you can easily carry in this bag. I
Yeah,
think
absolutely. Yeah. The price of this is 12K.
12K.
Yeah.
12,000 is the price of this bag. I think 12,000 तो भाई बनता है यार, 12,000 रुपए का बैग है, बट इसके फीचर्स देखो आप क्या है. So come to the next part, sir.
It's the same. It's a different color. The
Different
product
colors.
remains the same. The colors are different.
Colors are different.
And this is all the party stuff and all the
Okay.
night glasses.
So you have the party
glasses
stuff as well.
upon your trousers and all that. So you can see something like this
Yeah.
in the parties and all.
That's very great.
And this is a wristband. This is another unique product. I personally like this product, to be honest. And since the Rakhi is coming up,
Yes.
so we have already closed many kind of orders with the Rakhi dealers, the people selling this as the product. So basically, if I tie it on your wrist, I just turn it on. It's a magnetic lock.
Magnetic lock. Oh, that's amazing. So देख सकते हो फ्रेंड्स आप, ये जो राखी पे सर ने बताया कि आप राखी पे भी गिफ्ट कर सकते हो. आई थिंक दिस इज वन ऑफ द यूनिक प्रोडक्ट यू कैन परचेज. एंड
Yeah, absolutely. It has multiple purposes. One is a party, definitely.
Yes.
When you are driving in the night or you are going, it's a safety also. It's
Yeah,
a
yeah.
reflect
Yes,
and
yes. That's very amazing. कोई भी पर्सन you go for like wholesale or you go for the B2B or a B2C?
It's both. It's both. It's actually we have on the website for the
Okay.
direct to consumer. We have Amazon,
Okay.
Flipkart, Myntra, all these portals,
Okay.
and we are selling in the B2B also in the distribution also. We
Okay.
have the retailer network,
Okay.
as well as we are giving corporate gifting and all that.
So if any person wants to connect with the sir, I just share the email ID and the contact number of the sir. If any person wants to purchase the product or do for the wholesale purpose, they can easily connect the sir. Thank you so much for the information. Thank you so much.
Thanks.
Have a good day, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.